Bullish Chiliz cost expectations range between and by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2022 is Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and president of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's web-based business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made determined to give fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is presently utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz basic investigation. Chiliz is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com. A stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and changeless exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally takes into account quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Associations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atlético de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz current cost. Chiliz is as of now worth USD. CHZ has moved as of now with an exchanging volume up. Chiliz is as of now positioned among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Chiliz value forecast. The digital money industry is still in its beginning phases, and in this way, it is hard to make a precise Chiliz cost expectation. In any case, there are sure factors that can provide us with a thought of where the costs could head from here on out. Coming up next are a portion of the key factors that could influence the cost of Chiliz. 1. Reception by major donning associations. One of the key use cases for Chiliz is fan tokens for major wearing associations. If an ever-increasing number of sports groups begin taking on Chiliz's fan tokens, it would prompt expanded interest for CHZ and thus an ascent in costs. 2. Expanded reception of cryptographic money. As a rule, as the reception of digital currencies builds, we can anticipate that costs across the business should rise. This is on the grounds that with additional individuals utilizing digital currency, there will be more noteworthy interest for these resources prompting cost appreciation. 3. Good guideline. Another component that could emphatically affect Chiliz costs is positive guideline around cryptographic money. On the off chance that states or national banks all over the planet begin perceiving digital currencies as genuine resources, it would prepare for standard reception and give a lift to costs. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Chiliz market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Chiliz Value Expectation 2022. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The CHZ cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of and a typical exchanging cost of. Chiliz Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of and a low of in 2024. Chiliz Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Chiliz effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2025. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be worth, with a base cost of and a typical cost of. Chiliz Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of by 2026, with a base cost of anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of. Chiliz Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2027 could bring about a low of. Chiliz Value Expectation 2028. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at and a yearly cost close above in 2028. Chiliz Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of, averaging out at. Chiliz Value Forecast 2030. Bitcoin Wisdom makes an honest effort to